we're just double checking the finished product. Basically, this is what it looks like after everything's assembled. Probably put a piece of black tape or a piece of cardboard over top of the circuit board where the traces are exposed, if you were worried about that. Here I'm just testing it with a amber LED, and looks like we're a little bit low on the frequency, sitting at 188, but duty cycle looks good, on for almost 4 milliseconds and off for let's see here, we are off for just under 2 milliseconds, and like I say, we're on for almost 4, 3 and a good half. If we change it to 1 millisecond divisions, let's see here, we're 1, 2, 3, 3.5 on, and just under 2 off, so I can live with that. I think that's because the 10K resistors that I got were a little bit undervalued. They're about 9 and change for the setting of the frequency, which would be R1. So if somebody wanted the up around exactly 200 hertz at 7.5 volts, you could probably increase that to 11K. But I would say, for all intents and purposes, this will work fine. If we up the voltage to, there's 12.5 volts, we're up to 201 hertz, and looking at the duty cycle, we're still on for a good 3 milliseconds. And off for just about 1 3/4 millisecond. And if we drop the voltage back down to right around 6 volts, which would be right about there, again, duty cycle is on for a good 3, almost 4 milliseconds, and off for just under 2 milliseconds. And the frequency's down to 181 hertz, which is fine. I can't see that making a big difference. Back to 7 volts, which would be right around there. And we're back up to 186 hertz. So yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing with the finished product. Thanks for watching. And here we're just testing it out, firing a coil. Getting some definite voltage spikes there from the firing. And of course we're only running on the small power supply. I'll maybe hook up the other one here in a minute and just see what things look like, but yeah, it still works. And here we've hooked up 12 volt power supply, getting good spark there. Scope is showing what it's showing. And everything's staying nice and cool. Except for the resistor, it's getting warm. Because it's just not made to handle the load of this coil. What happened there? Oh, wire came off. Cool. There we go. Yep. Get back on there. There. Back in business. Ooh, fingers are getting toasty at the resistor, so we're going to shut her down. But as you can see, the finished product works.